If you're someone who's always on the lookout for a simple yet stylish way to elevate your nails without the trip to the salon, today's review might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Let me introduce you to the Kiss Gel Fantasy Press-On Nails in the Midnight Snack shade, an easy, no-fuss option for DIY nails that promise convenience and quality. First things first, these press-on nails come in a dark black color with a Chic Squoval shape, making them a versatile choice for anyone looking for a trendy, polished look. The set includes 28 nails in various sizes to fit your natural nail shape, along with a 2-gene tube of nail glue, a mini file, and a manicure stick. Everything you need to get the perfect at-home manicure is included in this all-in-one kit. Now let's talk about the main features. These nails are designed with a gel-like finish that delivers a smooth, shiny appearance right out of the box. The material is flexible yet durable, which means they're less likely to bend or snap compared to other press-on options. And for those of us who appreciate a bit of convenience, these nails are waterproof, chip-proof, and smudge-proof, offering up to 14 days of wear without the typical hassle of dry time. So, how do they perform in the real world? Personally, I was surprised by how easy they were to apply. The glue included in the kit held the nails in place quickly, and I didn't have to deal with the usual mess of spilled glue or struggling to get the nails to adhere. The instructions are straightforward, and the mini file provided works well to shape any edges that don't quite match up to your natural nail. Once on, the nails felt secure, but not too tight or uncomfortable. I went about my day, typing, cleaning, and even showering, without worrying about them budging or getting damaged. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Kiss Gel Fantasy nails are incredibly user-friendly. They require minimal time and effort to apply, and the results are salon-worthy. The Squoval shape is flattering on almost every hand, and the color is bold yet sophisticated, perfect for both casual and formal occasions. Another standout feature is the durability. After a week of wear, the nails still looked flawless, with no chipping or peeling. On the flip side, one potential downside is that they may not work as well for those with significantly larger nail beds. While the set does come with a variety of sizes, you might find that it doesn't accommodate extremely wide or long nails. Additionally, while the nails are designed for easy removal, some users may find the process a bit tricky if not done carefully, as you don't want to risk damaging your natural nails. As for value for money, these press-on nails offer pretty good bang for your buck. You get a full set of nails, a decent amount of glue, and extra tools for a low price compared to the cost of a professional manicure. For those who are looking for a short-term option that looks high-end without the expensive price tag, the Kiss Gel Fantasy nails are a solid investment. If you're comparing them to other press-on nails on the market, Kiss really stands out with its emphasis on both quality and convenience. While other brands may offer press-ons, they often fall short in terms of comfort or durability. Kiss nails are flexible enough to adapt to different nail shapes and lengths, which is not always the case with other sets. When it comes to build quality, the nails are surprisingly sturdy for press-ons. The gel finish is shiny and smooth, and the glue holds up well even under daily activities like typing and washing dishes. The longevity is another major plus. These nails genuinely last up to 2 weeks, even if you put them to the test. If you're concerned about customer support, Kiss has a strong reputation for being responsive to consumer needs. Though I didn't have to contact them directly for this review, the brand's reputation for customer satisfaction is generally positive. As for alternatives, there are other press-on options on the market, but none with quite the same combination of convenience, flexibility, and long-lasting wear. If you're on a tighter budget, you might find cheaper press-ons that are similar in appearance, but they often lack the durability or polish that Kiss provides. In conclusion, the Kiss Gel Fantasy Press-On Nails in Midnight Snacks offer a convenient, stylish, and durable option for anyone looking to enhance their nails without a salon visit. The easy application, chic design, and long-lasting wear make them a standout product for DIY manicures. If you're someone who enjoys keeping up with trends but doesn't want to spend a fortune, these nails are definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried these press-on nails, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with them. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.